Okie dokie.
Okay.
So, clutch pedals on the left. Oh, by the way, I'm teaching my nephew here how to drive.
Stick. Yeah.
Stick, yeah. At least forward and back. The
now.
turning
For
point
now.
for now, yeah, exactly. He just got his little L, so. So your clutch pedal's on the left, brake is in the middle.
Yes,
you never use your left foot on the brake or the gas, and you never ride the clutch pedal either.
All right.
You've got that's where your foot is right now is the dead pedal, which is good. Okay, your left foot is on the dead pedal. Yeah. So after clutching, you always put your foot over there. But for today, it's okay if you just put your foot on the pedal, but just don't push anything. Okay.
Okay.
So shifter, obviously self-explanatory. Shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is for race mode. So push the clutch pedal all the way down. Handbrake is on right now, so you can take that off. Yeah. Pull up and push. Let go.
There
Good.
you go.
And then for now, we're not going to worry too much about gas pedal because the car is torquey enough; it can pick up speed on its own. So take your foot off the brake. Slowly remove the clutch pedal. Oh yeah, you got to push it in gear first.
That's reverse.
No, yeah, no. That's third now. Okay, that should be first. So slowly let up on the pedal. Go a little bit faster. No, the clutch
Is that
pedal.
neutral? Okay.
The clutch pedal. Let it out a bit sooner. Don't give gas yet. Just the clutch pedal for now. Okay, just take the clutch pedal right off.
Ah.
Okay.
That
Good.
was harsh.
Yeah. And I thought we were gonna go straight only.
I didn't want to hit her.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so stay back into this lane. Keep going. Don't push on the brake without pushing on the clutch. Okay. Good. Now push the clutch all the way down. Push the brake. Take it out of gear. Neutral. Take your foot off the clutch. Okay. Look around you to make sure nobody's behind you. Okay. Clutch pedal. Reverse. Keep pulling left. There you go. Now up.
There you go.
Okay, and then slowly let the clutch up and slowly give gas. Keep going more with the clutch. Good. Go not too fast. Keep using the mirrors, or you're just going straight for now. Good. Okay, and then clutch pedal and brake. Good. Neutral. Okay, clutch off the clutch pedal. You never want to ride the clutch pedal like that when standing still. Okay. That heats up the bearing.
Just gets it warm over.
Yeah. So okay. Clutch again. First gear. Okay, and then slowly let it out, and then also give gas. Just keep taking it out. Keep taking it out. Gas. Keep taking it out. First stall, good. Neutral. Yeah, push, good. Neutral, start it up.
Dress up.
No, on this one you don't need, ideally, yeah, sure. You don't need to step on the clutch pedal to crank this one.
There we go.
Good. You just gotta wait until the oscillations stop. I still gotta tune this thing. It's oscillating too much after a start. Okay, and it's almost steady.
Surprised I didn't stall it the first time.
Yeah. But like I said, the engine's got enough torque, you should be able to just take the clutch out without doing anything.
And let it go.
But depending on how fast you take, if you take it out too fast, that's gonna stall it.
All right.
So,
okay.
Clutch, first gear. Good. And then slowly, you'll feel when the car starts moving. As it starts moving, give a bit of gas. Keep giving it. Good. Wow, that was pretty good. Yeah. And now just keep holding it there. Yeah. And then always clutch first, and brake. Good. Clutch all the way down. All the way down. Yeah. Always clutch. Always all the way down.
Okay.
And then reverse. Take it out neutral first. Good. Check your mirrors. Okay. Clutch slowly out. Keep going. Don't look at me. Good. Yep. See, once you're moving, it's basically doing its own thing, right? So clutch again, and then brakes. Good. Now first gear.
No.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
At least he's consistent.
Okay.
Okay, neutral and crank it.
Try this again. I'll get the hang of this.
And what your dad used to do to me is when I'm driving, he'd pull the handbrake. This is his dad. And then so I go to release the brake, then he'll put the gear back in neutral, and then while I'm putting the gear back into first, he'll pull the handbrake again, and that was so annoying. Okay, so we're going forward again.
Yep.
Clutch, first gear, and it's just a nice gentle, keep going. Yeah, good.
Can I go around once or?
Yeah, okay, stay in first and then just go around, make a donut. Or not a donut. No donuts!
If you say so.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. And always look where you want to go. You just keep turn here, yeah. Yeah, no need to signal.
I know.
Yeah.
Gotta be extra.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, one more. No, you don't push the brake with your left foot. Right?
No, that was the clutch.
No, yeah.
So I can brake.
All the way down, good. And then come to a stop, neutral. Take the foot off the clutch, good. And then notice how reverse is easier to go from a stop than it is first, because reverse has more torque, so it's able to accommodate. Yeah, exactly. So we'll go in reverse again, all the way to the curb there. Go ahead. Yeah, think about a car being in front of you, so you got to be quick. You're rolling forward.
Okay.
So as soon as you take your foot off the brake, careful. No. Oh, clutch. Yeah.
Okay.
And handbrake. Okay. That's enough for now.
Yep. That concludes that.